My name is Karmen Karma. I've been in the adult industry for 12 years. I've been doing OnlyFans for 7 years, but only 4 of those years have I taken control of my account. I went through probably dozens of OnlyFans management companies, and I just knew I could do better myself. So I invested tens of thousands of dollars into coaching myself before I ever considered making this coaching. So I have so much knowledge from not only my trial and error, but I've been investing into my education on OnlyFans as well. This course is not something I rushed. This course is something I took my time on because I was very nervous to let anyone down. I wanted to make sure it was perfect, that I covered absolutely everything that I think a newcomer would need to know. So if you've never used the platform, but then I also wanted to make it valuable for people who have already had an OnlyFans and kind of know the drill with a lot of things. I still wanted to make it valuable to those people as well. My goal is that everyone buys this course and just makes so much money and they're so satisfied with it. And I guarantee you, if you utilize the things that I'm telling you and do my methods, you will make way more money. This course is literally me handing you money on a silver platter. I am giving you all the sauce. Literally everything you need to know. There is nothing else that you need to know. I put it all on the table. I'm giving you all of it. And if you want this, if you want to work for yourself, if you want to be making life-changing money, I'm giving you everything you need, the tools for success for you to become that. I'm going to tell you all the systems you need in place, what you need to post, how you're going to get your fans. I'm going to tell you how to keep your fans, what kind of content to do. I'm going to tell you all my secret methods that make me a lot of money. And it's all waiting for you here. When I was making this course, a lot of people told me not to put everything in there because, you know, what I'm pricing this out might be expensive for some people, but this is tens and thousands of dollars of money I've invested, stuff I've learned, my knowledge, and I know this course can make you millions of dollars. I wanted to make a product that people were happy with, that was life-changing for people, that made them way more money back after, and that's what mattered to me. As soon as you purchase this course, you're going to get immediate access to everything. Inside, there's going to be 7 modules that we're going to go over with 45 lessons in it, which means there is 45 videos I have made, y'all, giving you absolutely all the tips I know, as well as 4 bonus lessons in here. Not to mention, I homemade tons and tons of handouts myself. I made templates. I wanted to make sure that I just give y'all everything I possibly could. I'm going to be offering hands-on support as well. I'm going to be answering your questions. You're going to get to go into this community and we're going to have a group chat and I will be there to answer any additional questions for you. And I want you to know I put my heart and soul, literally everything I could think of into this course. Learning this information myself made me millions of dollars. If I would have had someone hand this to me on a platter and said, this is how you do it, that would have made me even grow quicker. So I'm just really excited to be able to give this knowledge because I don't see any OnlyFans courses made by women who run their own pages. So it's about time. It's about time we share the love. There's enough of fans for us to go around. Trust me, I'm going to tell you all about that. Stop wishing you could be a successful OnlyFans model and just become one. I'm going to give you everything you need. It's all waiting for you inside this course. So invest in yourself, invest in your future. See you guys in there.